Okay, everybody, so now we have the next step, building the new trading slash gaming workstation. So it'll have a dual purpose. And I really like this new NZXT 340. This is a very cool case. The blue's pretty cool. That wasn't my preference. I wanted just black, but it's kind of all they had available. So that's what I got. And then I went with an 850 power supply because I'm running 2 video cards and I need 6 monitor extensions. I'm going to be running 2 rows of 3 monitors each. It's just my setup. It's what I need for work. But seriously. And then I'm going to go ahead with the Intel 8th Gen i7 with the, it says it's a desktop processor, but everybody knows what this thing can do. And you know, the 8700K is overclockable to 5+ gigahertz. So I'm just going to start off using this little 6-core CPU, and I'll probably leave it at default depending upon how much time I have, and then just continue to crank it up since I went ahead and got the KRAKEN X62 cooler. So it's a nice 280 millimeter dual fan cooler. And then for memory, again, I didn't go too crazy. I mean, it's 3000 megahertz and it's 32 RAM, 32 gigs of DDR, so it's a pretty cool little kit. And then for fans, I'm going to take off the default fans here. Let's see if this comes off. No, it needs a little work. So anyway, but I don't like the default fans based on the review. I mean, I guess I should have tried them and then, you know, taken the next step. But again, it's all about time. So just to be efficient, I went ahead here and I got these NF-A14s, which are not really the coolest looking, but this isn't about look so much as cooling and quiet. So these are going to go here in the front for intake. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this front cover on or not. We'll see. These are 140 millimeters, so you've got 2 intake right here, and then this is supposed to be an exhaust on the top, and it makes sense because heat rises to have this as a 140 millimeter exhaust fan, but I'm going to try it as an intake fan just based on research in this particular case, and then I'll use this ML120 as my exhaust fan on the back. So it'll be 1, 2, 3 140 millimeter intakes and 1 120 millimeter exhaust. I'll look at the temps and take it from there. I'm not really going, I guess, in the most logical order. I probably should have went with the motherboard, but anyway, so I'm going to go with this ROG STRIX, again ASUS, the Z370F, and I mean, this isn't the latest and greatest motherboard, but you know, it's a good motherboard, and it will do the trick. It's kind of confusing when you look at this. It says the Intel Z370 and then Optane, and then you see the AMD. But for those that are not total geeks, and this may be your first build, this is just a technology. It doesn't imply that this is a AMD motherboard. It's strictly for the LGA 1151 socket. Let's see, I've got the again the ASUS STRIX video card as my primary for the first level of 3 monitors, which I'll show you in a minute. Actually, I'll probably do that in a different video. Why the second video card? This is actually a pretty good video card. It's not a gaming video card. People often use it for like AutoCAD and for like workstation type of applications, but I can do gaming. This I'm going to use to run my upper secondary layer of monitors, which will be 3 across. It's pretty cool, actually. It's a neat little video card, and it'll do the job. It'll do what I want it to do, which is not gaming. The bottom 3 monitors I can use for gaming, so it's going to be a fun project. And then for sound, I went with the Logitech, kind of like the best bang for your buck approach with the Z623 and the THX 400 watt setup. I've heard these speakers and the reviews are great, so here we are, and it's really a good deal. Which is I can't really show you the the monitors. I mean, basically here you go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the C27 F398 or CF398 Samsungs. They're 27-inch curved monitors, and then I've already got one of my previous setup here, and that's basically it. So I'm going to be using this right here is my easy mount. It's Easy Deluxe Hex monitor stand, so I can basically put up to 6 28-inch monitors, but I'm going to be using 6 27-inch, so it's really heavy. I can't pick it up unless I use 2 hands. So basically that's it in a nutshell. So next time, since I'm not going to be doing a build video, since this isn't a gaming channel, the next video should be either my new desk, which is going to be going over here to replace, not replace, but where the fish tanks are, and then I'm going to put also a TV up here for news and whatnot. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to have a little fun, and it's definitely overdue fun. I haven't done this for a while, so and I need to do it, and I don't want to pay somebody to do it. I can do better, and take my time and enjoy it, and it's kind of cool doing the research and putting this together over the last few weeks. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time.